Hey guys, I'm back with the 70 F100 with the Voodoo engine, and today we're going to do a bunch of stuff. We have a lot going on. Marty has already welded in the front boxes for the front suspension mount to the frame. Got all that ready. Then we're going to get the engine set today. We've got a long pile of parts here, brakes, engine mounts, interior. We probably won't get to the interior today, but hey, it'd be awesome if we did. Fuel line, suspension parts, axle, piece of suspension. This is part of the 3-link setup in the rear. You can tell that's the axle. Then he already got a lot done on the rear. There was a cross member right here that went across. You can see these holes. You can kind of see a mark there. Cut that out. This new 3-link setup has a cross member, and the Watts link connects down here. And then you can see the shock mounts here. So he also cut this cross member, and his tank just slides right in, right into the frame. It fits awesome. Got that in there. That's from a Mustang tank, so it's not like a special one from anywhere. You can probably pick them up pretty easy. So you can see these brackets here. There's another one on the other side. We'll get the rear suspension and axle hung today. We want to get the engine in, and that way we can start mocking a bunch of stuff up and get this thing driving. Got the fuel tank out already in the seat. He's going to put different seats in it. Mocking up the steering column. This is going to be awesome. Let's get going. Okay, we didn't film it because we were fighting multiple things, which we didn't, you know, we'll show going in, we'll show the stuff we were fighting. Really wasn't that big a deal. The, what would that be? The like distribution for the brakes came down here. Get that bracket out of the way, your manifold will clear it, no problem. The sensors are close when going in. They seem like you're gonna hit the cab, but there's plenty of room. I can plug, actually. Find it here. The intake manifold runner solenoid for the vacuum plugs in. There's plenty of room. This thing's in there. He's gonna have to get a different adapter for the oil filter housing. Yeah, down there you can see the rag on it and everything. We had to pull the oil filter out to make it fit.
Relocation kit.
Yeah, relocation kit coming. AC compressor clears. He'll have vintage air in it, but use that manifold or that compressor. And then we have a jack on the transmission right now, but we'll make a transmission jack, and the shifter is going to come in just about here. So it'll be perfect. He's gonna have bucket seats in there. And most of the weight is behind the front wheel. It's low and back. It's gonna be getting closer. So we took the factory cross member. Was this the actual transmission cross member?
Yeah. Turned it upside down.
Yeah, Marty notched it. We took the factory mount from the Mustang cross member off. So this is where the factory mount mounts to. And we'll be able to drill these holes. And that'll look that'll look awesome. Look like it's meant to be there. Okay, today we didn't get near as far as we really wanted to, but we got a lot done. We got the engine in. It is sitting on the frame of its own weight. Down on the new mounts. Exhaust clears the frame on both sides. Looking good. You can see the exhaust clears there. There's a little bit of a cross member still need to knock out, but you can see that looks good. Clears the firewall. Plenty of room back there. Still, we got the rear axle starting to go in. There's a couple areas where some bolts, like up here, we need to get a 5/8 drill bit and get some of the powder coat out of it. They can't go through that way. That torque arm bolts up to here. And then we still need to get the cross member for the torque arm to bolt to. That goes up in this area. Then we got the transmission cross member in. We reuse the original one. You can see it's going to be back further, the axle, so then it won't be at an angle, but the Watts link will be on there. So I need to do the fuel system. I'm going to cut a hole. Marty will still probably get a lot done. I won't be around for it all, but I'll get updates. It looks good. Hey, thanks for following along today. Hopefully I'll be back probably in a week or so. Back to help Marty do some more. He'll get a lot more done in the meantime, and I'll definitely update you guys. But thanks a lot. Like, comment, and subscribe.